So as it's still dripping a little bit, I realized that the only way to put the oil in there is to lean the bike on the side, because I only have a funnel, and if it's standing normally, there's no way we can get it in. So this is going to be our way of doing it. We leaned it to the side, and we're going to pour in this non-detergent oil, also known as 30 SAE or 30 weight non-detergent oil, which is according to a manual that I found. This thing takes a high quality non-detergent SAE 30 motor oil. That's the gearbox, and it's 350 cc's. So we're gonna get back to chemistry on this and use one of these suckers. I just happen to have one, but I'm sure you can find a way to measure out 350 cc's or 12 ounces of the oil, and I'm gonna just try to pour it directly in there. And the moment of truth here, luckily eBay and a company that's called Moped Division was able to send me this stuff here, and we're really hoping they're the same. I kind of glanced at them, but I ordered two just in case, because it seems like this piece would commonly be destroyed, but it even says Garelli on it, so we're gonna put that in afterwards, after we put our 350 cc's of the oil. To be continued.